from the world's capital markets. Here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by CMS Prime.
Good morning, and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the dollar-yen pair and the recent events stirring the markets. Emily?
The dollar-yen pair plummeted 1.2% in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair saw a minor dip of 0.2% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The gold-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the oil fall 0.6% against the dollar. The ROC is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, today's major financial news.
The US Treasury said on Monday it expects to borrow $243 billion in the second quarter, $41 billion more than the January estimate, largely due to lower cash receipts, partially offset by a higher cash balance at the beginning of the quarter. German inflation rose slightly in April due to higher food prices and a smaller drop in energy prices than in previous months. Preliminary data from the Federal Statistics Office showed similar to other EU countries. US stocks rose with sharp gains for Tesla and Apple leading the way as investors look toward what the Federal Reserve would say about the interest rate outlook after its policy meeting this week.
Thank you. And now, moving on to our chief analyst pick of today's main economic events.
Japan's annualized housing starts will be released at 5 GMT. The US consumer confidence at 14 GMT. Australia's retail sales at 1:30 GMT. Germany's retail sales will be released at 6 GMT. Japan's construction orders at 5 GMT. The Eurozone's harmonised index of consumer prices at 9 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.